Well, if you're coming to Red, you find it basically here. It's three different mountains and across the horizon. So over here to the left side of the camera, you see the lift going up over here. You got the T-bar, little T-bar thing here, and a carpet. And so from the carpet we move across to the left-hand side of the mountain, and we've got the chair on the left. The chair on the left goes right up the peak, as you can see, right on down up to the top. And this is mostly a black run with a couple of blues on it. You guys can see from the video here, it's relatively steep. Panning back across the back of the area here, we have the meeting area for the tours at 9 o'clock and 12:30 in the afternoon, and the mountain hosts are here to take you up. The lodge itself is a three-story lodge with guest services on the bottom. The second area is an events room on the left-hand side of my camera here. On the right-hand side of it, over here, is an events room. Ski shop down below. Second floor, which you can't see from here, is a cafeteria area, and the third floor is the Red Bar. Over to the left-hand side is the Red condominium lodging area. It's massive. This has been improved over the last 3 or 4 years, and it's pretty massive. We've got this lift directly in front of me here that goes up the mountain, primarily to a couple of cat tracks leading back down the mountain. It is basically a blue area with a couple of greens. From the top of that, moving across to the right, as I pan across, you can't see it, would be the third area of skiing, which is primarily an all blue area. So we've got all blue to the right, we've got blue with a little bit of mixed greens to the left. We move back up the mountain and we go into the black areas. You can't even see the top of the mountain from here, but it's another chairlift ride up. Well, here we are, day 2 in Canada at Red Mountain. Ted's up on some blues higher up on the mountain. I'm down here on the lower part of the mountain. Basically, Red is similar to Whitewater, except it's a huge destination area with amenities galore. So we got the condos off to the sides. Got the main lodge behind us here. There are about 4 or 5 lifts here. That's in front of my face. It's a massive mountain with terrain all over the place. Again, being Canada, the ratings on the hills are definitely black is definitely black, almost double black in places. Same type conditions suffering here that we have back in North Idaho, and that is not a lot of powder, cloudy, low light, all the things that we didn't look for when we started this season, you know, with blue sky, sunshine, beautiful powder snow, etc. So it's been one of those years. Anyhow, we've enjoyed our time here in Canada. Would recommend both places to you. The daily lift ticket Canadian price here at Red is $118 Canadian. Take about 25% off that, so you're talking about 75, 80 some dollars per day American, possibly close to 90. Anyhow, it's enjoyable. People here are very polite. They open doors for you and things like that, and don't give you a strange look like they do in America. So that's our report from here now. We'll do a little filming on the riding and get back to you.